How millionaires make decisions under uncertainty. What if you had to make a decision today? A decision where the result is unclear, the risks are real, and nobody can guarantee success. Most people freeze in moments like this, but millionaires, they move forward, calmly, strategically, and confidently. So what do they know that most people don't? And more importantly, how do they decide when the future is uncertain? Stay with me because by the end of this video, you'll understand how wealthy people think and how you can start thinking the same way. Understanding uncertainty. Uncertainty simply means you don't know exactly what will happen. You don't know if a business will succeed. You don't know if an investment will grow. You don't know if a decision will work out perfectly. And this is where most people struggle. When faced with uncertainty, the average person reacts emotionally. Fear of failure, fear of loss, fear of being wrong, so they delay, they overthink, or they avoid the decision completely. Millionaires face the same uncertainty, but they don't see it as danger. They see it as a normal part of life. They understand one powerful truth. Certainty is rare. Progress happens anyway. How millionaires make decisions. Let's break this down into clear, simple principles. Principle 1. They think in probabilities, not guarantees. Most people ask, will this work? Millionaires ask, what are the chances this works? And are they good enough? They know nothing is guaranteed. Instead of waiting for certainty, they estimate probability. Think of it like weather forecasts. If there's a 70% chance of rain, you don't cancel life. You bring an umbrella. Millionaires don't wait for 100% certainty. They move when the odds are reasonable. Principle 2. They protect the downside. First average thinking, how much can I make? Millionaire thinking, what's the worst that can happen? And can I survive it? Before acting, they ask, can I afford to lose this? Will this destroy me if it fails? Can I recover? They don't gamble blindly. They manage risk. If the downside is small and the upside is large, uncertainty becomes acceptable. Principle 3. They decide with incomplete information. Waiting for all the information is a trap. Millionaires understand. Information is never complete. Timing matters. Action creates clarity. They gather enough data to move, then adjust along the way. Think of driving at night. You can't see the entire road, but your headlights are enough to keep moving. Principle 4. They separate decisions from outcomes. This is critical. A good decision can still have a bad outcome. A bad decision can sometimes work by luck. Millionaires judge decisions by logic, process, reasoning at the time, not by emotional results. If something fails, they don't panic. They ask, what did this teach me? Learning compounds. Panic doesn't. Principle 5. They play long-term games. Most people want quick wins. Millionaires think in years, even decades. They understand one decision won't make or break everything. Consistency beats perfection. Time is a powerful advantage. They don't try to win every move. They try to stay in the game. Mindset and psychology. At the psychological level, the difference is simple. Most people seek certainty. Millionaires seek control. They focus on what they can control. Effort, learning, risk exposure, decision quality. A useful metaphor is poker. You never know what card comes next, but great players still win because they manage risk, read patterns, and make smart bets. Millionaires treat life the same way. Uncertainty doesn't scare them. It informs them. Practical takeaways. Here's how you can apply this thinking today. 1. Stop asking, will this work? Start asking, is this a smart risk? 2. Always define your worst-case scenario before acting. 3. Make decisions based on logic, not fear. 4. Accept that mistakes are part of progress. You don't need to be rich to think like a millionaire. You just need to decide differently. Uncertainty will always exist. The question is not how to avoid it, but how to navigate it intelligently. Millionaires don't wait for perfect conditions. They prepare, calculate, and move forward anyway. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it valuable, please like it, share it with someone who needs this mindset, and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Your support helps this channel grow and keeps this content coming. Until next time, think smarter, stay curious, and keep moving forward.